quite a delay. Quite a delay with this grey Nissan Qashqai. It makes me feel there's almost certainly a phone in use there. Oh, digging around. Maybe not. Oh, lucky. Oh, you are holding it now. She's definitely picked it up and now she's put it down again. You can't be using the phone, you can't hold it. You're no danger from me, but you can't be using your phone. I noticed back there you left a huge WhatsApp gap. And I bet to myself then that you were on the phone, and now I come next to you and you picked it up. It has to be mounted, you can't lift it. I have to report it. Hey, you go in front of me, you have a better day. I'm going straight, she's turning. This guy wants to overtake me, he can.